Unlock the full potential of your Canon Eos 250d by seamlessly connecting it to your computer for effortless file transfer, tethered shooting, or even webcam functionality. Today, we'll explore the various methods available to link your Canon 250d to your computer, ensuring a smooth digital workflow. First up, the classic USB connection. Locate the miniest port on your camera, usually found on the side under a rubber flap. Connect one end of a compatible USB cable, typically a USB Type-A to mini USB, to your camera and the other end to an available USB port on your computer. Once connected, your computer should recognize the camera as a removable storage device, allowing you to drag and drop files directly. Next, let's dive into Wi-Fi connectivity. Navigate to your camera's menu and look for the Wi-Fi or wireless communication settings. Enable Wi-Fi on your camera and then on your computer. Search for available Wi-Fi networks. You should see a network broadcasted by your camera, often starting with Eos or Canon. Select this network and enter the password displayed on your camera's screen, if prompted. For advanced functionalities, like tethered shooting or remote control, you'll want to install Canon's official software, such as Eos Utility or the Canon Camera Connect app for desktops. Download these from the Canon website, install them, and follow the on-screen instructions to establish a connection. This enables features like live view on your computer and direct image transfer. Whether you choose the reliability of a wired connection or the convenience of wireless, mastering these methods will streamline your photography workflow. Seamlessly integrate your Canon Eos 250d with your computer and elevate your digital photography experience. Thanks for watching.